LSAH
02, yes.
0902-209-02.
No, Chairman, there is a tag number philosophy you are putting hyphen between. No, don't put the hyphen. It's not correct.
This is wrong, huh?
Yes.
Okay.
All the tags.
Okay, Amin, please take a note. Please take a note. Please correct the correct legend philosophy. Amin.
Yes.
Yeah. Please correct this one. There is no hyphen between.
No, this is LAH. Okay,
Yeah.
LAH.
So LSAH 029
02.
So LSAH. This one. LSD. They have considered LSDH, but anyway, no problem.
Shut down.
No, DH means shut down.
Yeah, correct.
Oh. So here.
Okay, here there is no alarm technically.
No alarm has been considered.
Yeah, correct.
So Gong, no alarm has been considered here. No. We have to go on the right side. This is IPL.
Is PSG, no? Only shut down only, right?
I don't know how to check this one. Recommendation, Worksheet. Are we checking the correct one? When we open this report,
In Brazil, we just analyze the shutdown transmitter. Actually, this alarm is related to this.
Sorry.
This is both.
Part of the SIP. Yeah, part of the SIP.
But we're not showing this table.
Because it's not considered as an IBL. This part of the SIP study.
Yeah.
I do not know who has done this one, this seal assessment. I'm not able to follow the sheet. Normally we have here some sheet.
But if this alarm is part of the SIP itself, it will not be IPL.
Yeah, correct. Okay, so let us correct this one. This is no. This is no. And this is no.
Chairman, for this.
No, Chairman, that is correct only. It is